Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and deciding what you'll transfer. This matters because an assignment changes who can enforce rights. Once you confirm ownership, list each work with title, creation date, and registration number if available. Then choose assignment versus exclusive license. An assignment transfers ownership, while a license grants specific uses. Make sure both parties' legal names and contact details are accurate, because errors delay recordation. Begin drafting terms now, so the receiving channel can review. Next, you draft the written agreement that makes the transfer enforceable. Verbal promises won't suffice. Start with parties' legal names, a precise description of works, the scope of rights transferred, territories, and duration. Add payment, delivery format, metadata obligations, and whether credits or moral rights are retained. Once done, include signatures, dates, and witness or notary if required. If the deal is complex or valuable, make sure to consult a lawyer so terms aren't ambiguous and later contested. To finish, get both parties to sign the final agreement and exchange signed copies. Notarize when necessary to strengthen enforceability. Then record the assignment with the Copyright Office so the public record reflects the new owner. This helps enforcement and monetization. Once recorded, update platform ownership, metadata, and credits. Transfer account access or license keys as agreed. If something goes wrong, missing registration numbers or rejected recordation, recheck paperwork, correct errors, and resubmit promptly to avoid gaps in protection.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.